Question 1. She gave me some useful dash on how to study effectively. Correct answer. Advice. Question 2. I need to buy a new pair of dash for my trip. Correct answer. Suitcase. Question 3. Neither John dash his friend were able to solve the puzzle. Correct answer. No. Question 4. Would you mind dash the door? Correct answer. Closing. Question 5. There are only a dash apples left in the basket. Correct answer. Few. Question 6. This dress is too dash for me to wear in the summer. Correct answer. Thick. Question 7. She sings dash than her sister. Correct answer. Better. Question 8. He dashed his homework before we arrived. Correct answer. Had finished. Question 9. This book is written in the dash voice. Correct answer. Passive. Question 10. He asked me where I dash from. Correct answer. Came. Question 11. She is dash most intelligent student in the class. Correct answer. They. Question 12. He ran dash the thief but couldn't catch him. Correct answer. After. Question 13. I am looking forward to dash you soon. Correct answer. Seeing. Question 14. This is the man dash car was stolen. Correct answer. Whose. (15) The cat is sleeping dash the cool floor. Correct answer. On. (16) He was tired dash he continued walking. Correct answer. But. (17) I don't know dash he will come today. Correct answer, if. 18. This book belongs to dash. Correct answer, you and me. 19. There isn't dash water left in the bottle. Correct answer, March. 20. He speaks English dash. Correct answer, fluently. 21. She must dash home early. Correct answer, go. 22. She is as tall as her brother. Correct answer, as. 23. The news dash shocking. Correct answer, was. 24. You should be careful with dash words. Correct answer, your. 25. I prefer tea dash coffee. Correct answer, to.